Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Deep ocean producers are fascinating because they survive without any sunlight at all. In the deepest regions of the ocean, there is absolutely no sunlight available for photosynthesis. This means producers cannot absorb photons to create energy like plants do on the surface. Instead, specialized bacteria near hydrothermal vents use a process called chemosynthesis. They must find an alternative way to power their biological functions by using the chemicals found in their environment. These producers capture high-energy electrons from inorganic molecules like hydrogen sulfide to build organic matter. This makes option B the correct choice for how they introduce energy into ecosystems.